Selecting the artwork for the Taussig Cancer Building was really an interesting opportunity. The architects were so talented and they were very much interested in transparency and light and a very minimal experience, and that created this wonderful light white palette with lots of glass. So we were really trying to think about the people that were going to come through the doors here, and ultimately there are a lot of people who will be returning often to this building. So we wanted to make the experience in some way different and engaging and meaningful, and that the art would resonate. I'd been following Eva Rothschild's work for quite a while.
I think her initial contact came through the gallery I work with in London, Modern Art, and she was obviously aware of other large-scale sculptures that I had done, and we began a conversation about proposing a piece for the clinic.
When we're looking at artists, we always sort of do due diligence, do our homework to look at what artists are great to work with. It was easy to select Eva. We knew she would be a consummate professional and really was a sculptor who delivers.
The name of the sculpture is Live Edge. I think that there's something different about encountering a work when you're in the street, or you're in a park, or you're at a hospital. The sculpture takes the form of a series of 7 triangles which interconnect and sort of rely on each other for support, essentially, to create the whole sculpture. It holds its own within the space, within the landscape, and yet it doesn't block anything. It's not stopping anything else from happening, but it's really intensely holding its own space.
I love the complexity of the forms, the idea, the notion that she had these 7 triangles and that each one sort of fit within the other, but yet there was a bit of a precarious balance between all of them, and they seemed to somewhat defy gravity. You couldn't automatically tell how they're interlocked and how they support one another.
That sense of connection, of objects relying on each other for support is really important to my practice.
Art has become sort of the fabric of the Cleveland Clinic. It's really an integral part of the entire patient experience. So we think about it holistically and recognize that art has a real key role in helping with the healing process. And with Eva's work, that nice metaphor of each one had to support the other in order to complete the whole. And that seemed to me to really resonate when you think about the patient journey and the patient experience and how we all work here together, and that there are always other people there to support you. And that's an important thing.